Let's take a look at the Scrambler, right? The Scrambler is a little bit more difficult. So I think the first thing I want to do is actually figure out what my distance reference is. So the Scrambler is, we can use the back of the car, which is 1.24 meters. But this main axis there, that's about 4.45. And the bigger the distance reference, the better. So I think I'll try to use that one, okay? So what we're going to do is run the video analysis app. And we're going to choose a file. So we'll choose the file that we did of the Scrambler. Let's make that big. And let's find a nice, there we go. So we're seeing that sort of right on the front there. And then we'll do the system here. We know this distance is 4.45 meters, I believe. Is that right? Yeah, 4.45 meters. 4.45. And then I think what we want to do is do every 2 frames. It's probably the thing to do. All right, and then I want to find a, okay, here's a nice car. See that car right there? This guy, you can see it, it's heading toward the out. I'm going to try to use that corner of the car as it comes out. Okay, that corner. Okay, I see it now. Okay, so I think I'm good here. I'm gonna touch it with the bottom of that. There's that corner right there. There it is. There it is. And notice that this thing's accelerating in the X direction, which will be the same as, on your accelerometer. You should see a nice X acceleration here. Of course, it gets kind of hypothetical as it spins away from us. And at some point, it goes out of sight, right? All right. That's good. Okay, so now we want to get you can see that nice negative X acceleration there. We don't care in this case about the Y. I know that's scandalous, but we're going to turn off the Y. Okay, we just want to look at the X. So look at that nice acceleration there, and that's what you're going to read with the X accelerometer on your phone. If you hold the screen vertically, just like like we talked about, it ought to register on our X axis here. Okay, so click the little curve fit. We're going to apply a curve fit, and it's going to default to linear, but we don't want that. Oh, wait, hold on. Cancel. I think we got to select it first, right? Let's go. How about from there to there? And then curve fit, quadratic, apply, patumba. And then check that out, right? That's pretty big, right? Remember this coefficient there is half the acceleration. That means the acceleration is like, well, that's about 13 meters per second squared. That means the sideways force on you is bigger than your weight, right? That's kind of crazy. And you should be able to see that on your X acceleration. Anyway, that's all I'm going to show.